guys, it's Linda. So today I have another Boxycharm unboxing for you. So I have avoided all spoilers for this. This is the January box. So I figured we would open it together and let's see what's inside. So the first thing they always include is a little postcard that tells you the theme, which is Rock 2018. Yeah, which probably means that it is going to be not rock and roll at all. Whenever things say like, oh, this is so rock and roll, it's like, you know, bubblegum pink or some shit like that. And we'll see. I'm not gonna judge just yet, but I won't look at the back to see what's in it. But there's also, there's also a business card giving some ingredients. But anyway, let's see what the first item is. We have Dr. Brandt. You guys know, I like me some Dr. Brandt. This is the Pores No More Luminizing Primer. Basically, you guys know, anytime anything says luminize or luminizing, anything like that, I am usually down for it. So let's see if we can tell if this is luminous at all. Okay. I don't know if that's coming across. It definitely has a nice luminosity to it. It feels really good. It feels like a water-based. It is. It's a water-based primer, which goes best with water-based foundations. So if your foundation is silicone-based, you do not want to use a primer like this, but if it's water-based, like every single thing I use, you can throw it on the floor. Just throw that. I will say it has a slight scent to it. It's not a bad scent, but it is a scent. So if you are, you know, particularly sensitive to scents, be careful. Next item is, woo, we got a palette. Okay, it's called Glam Metals. Let's see what this looks like. I'm kind of pumped. It's by Crown Brush. Okay. We have 9 shadows here, and it's kind of an interesting mix. Let's do some swatches. Let's see. So they're pretty pigmented, actually. The black is meh, but I feel like 90% of blacks are meh. This is like particularly like crappy, but whatever. But the Rock On shade, that like olive green, I am really digging that. And also this shade over here, boom, is called Rebel. It's a really golden shimmery gold, and I'm digging that. And then this is this is Wild Thing, and then the crap is Black Metal over here. Just let's ignore that. Ignore it. I'll be honest, I'm kind of not sure why I swatched those, considering those were like the ones I wasn't worried about. It's really these two like silvery blues that look almost exactly the same, so let's swatch those. No, I'm not feeling it. Maybe it's just because I'm not someone who's usually into silvery colors, but those colors just did not swatch well for me. I can see myself using a couple things in this palette, so if you guys would like to see a whole look with this palette, let me know in the comments below. I could totally see myself rocking that Rock On. I really like that color. For the next item, we have a Galactic Matte Lip Paint. Let's see what color it is. The color is called Demure. It sort of looks like that Kat Von D Lolita, you know, dusty rose color. Let's do a swatch. It's a little more pink than I was expecting, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but I don't know how often I would personally wear a shade like this. This might be going in my giveaway pile, but I mean, it's cute. It looks a little streaky, but that could just be because I swatched on the back of my hand and I can't see the back of my hand. I'm over here. For our next item, we have a Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten set in Dreamer. This is a cheek palette that says it has Blushing Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's actually really pretty. So you've got your bronzer, you've got a highlighter, and you've got a blush. The bronzer is very shimmery. I'm personally not into a shimmery bronzer, but if you are, this could be your bag. The highlighter though, let's do a swipe of that. Ooh, that is pigmented. Whoa, this is almost dusty, but like it is shiny gold. I could see myself using this more for an eyeshadow. It is very soft, as you can see just from that one swatch, which I didn't press that hard. It's kind of looking a little messed up in the inside. But let's also swatch the blush and see if we can see what that looks like. Wow, wow, pigment. Whoa, that's a lot. I'll give them a shot, but wow, it's just a lot. I mean, it's a lot of pigment, so that's not a bad thing. I have never complained about too much pigment, but we'll see. We've got one item left to go, and it is the IT Cosmetics Brow Powder. And it says it's a universal brow pencil. Universal taupe? How can a brow pencil be universal? There, okay, all right, let's see. Okay, so it looks like it has two ends here. One of them, you have a spoolie. I will never complain about a spoolie. And the other side is a twist up pencil. This looks very cool toned. Let's see. There's nothing there. Do we have to like drag this into my hand? Like what? Ow. Okay, so eventually I gotta swatch. It is very cool tone. Maybe there's just like a layer on the top of this, and if I just keep going, ooh, this kind of hurts. Okay, no. Nope, no thank you. No merci beaucoup. Okay, so according to this, the whole value of the box is $144. So of course the box is $21 to me, which I would pay for this alone. This primer feels awesome on my skin, and actually like I'm a little more impressed than I thought I'd be with the Glam Metal palette by Crown Brushes. So I will give this a try out, and again, if you guys want to see a tutorial with this, comment down below and let me know. The lip paint is going in my giveaway pile, or to friends. You know, the IT Brow Power, same thing. I'll encourage friends to try it before they take it, but like, And the Pure Bronze and Brightener, it looks okay. I don't know. I'll have to give it a shot on my own skin rather than just my hand, but we'll see. Overall, it's hard to say if I'm bummed with this month's Boxycharm. I'm not upset about it because I would pay $21 for this alone, which it retails for $38, and you know, I don't mind that. The rest of it, like, we'll see. I've gotten better boxes in the past months and everything like that, and I've gotten worse, subscription boxes in the past. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your Boxycharm this month. Maybe you guys got something crazy better than mine. I'm curious. As always, please give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos, if you like Boxycharm, things like that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe even hit that little notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Right now I'm uploading every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I'm soon going to be moving up to 2 videos a week. I'm looking at either Monday and Wednesday or Wednesday and Friday. I think it's probably gonna be Monday and Wednesday, but we'll see. But anyway, as always, you guys are my super rock stars. Love you so much, love you with my whole heart, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic day. Bye.